In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime Savings to Cash App. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to move your funds with ease. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open up your Chime app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't already, enter your credentials to access your Chime dashboard. This is where you'll find all the features Chime has to offer, including the ability to send money. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the main menu options. Here, you'll want to tap on the Pay button. This feature allows you to send money directly from your Chime account to someone else, and it's a crucial step in moving funds to Cash App. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address or phone number. This should be the contact information associated with the recipient's Cash App account. Double-check to ensure that the details are correct to prevent any mishaps or delays in the transfer. Accurate information is key to ensuring the money reaches the right destination. After you've entered the recipient's contact information, it's time to type in the amount you want to send. Be sure to enter the exact amount you wish to transfer from your Chime Savings account. Once you're satisfied with the amount, proceed to the next step. Now, tap Pay to initiate the transaction. At this point, you'll be prompted to confirm the details of your transfer. Make sure everything looks correct, from the recipient's details to the amount you're sending. Confirming these details is essential for a smooth transaction. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the transaction, the money will be sent. The recipient will receive the funds, and they can access them through their Cash App or any linked account they've set up. It's that simple. Your money will now be available in the recipient's Cash App, ready for them to use as needed. And that's how to transfer Chime Savings to Cash App. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now confident in transferring your funds between these two platforms. If you have any questions or run into any issues, both Chime and Cash App have customer support teams ready to assist you. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides.